This is a small bell that will mount on a, you know, a bicycle, an e-bike, or anything like that, that has an AirTag built into it. And actually, I've already had it out and looked over it. Let me show you what you get with this thing. You get basically just packed already, ready to go. There's the bell by itself. You get a little extension. I think this is a little piece of rubber that will go in there. If you've got like a smaller bar or something, you get a little small screwdriver for tightening it up, and that's for this screw right here. And then it just kind of like goes over some basic instructions, but let me show you how this thing works. What you're gonna do, you see this part right here? Look at this. This actually is a hidden part. It unscrews, and check it out, everybody. Look what I have down in here. I have an AirTag down in there. Now there is a little piece of felt, and that little felt in there keeps it from rattling around. Apple AirTag, highly recommend these things if you've never used one of these. It just goes down in there like that. You screw this down. I do have a video on the AirTag if you want to go check that out, but pretty much that's it. And this thing's gonna mount just like a normal bell. Let me take it over here and mount it on my bike and show you what this thing looks like while it's mounted on the bike, because it looks just like a normal bell. Okay, I'm over here at my mountain bike here, and what I'm gonna do is just mount this bell right here where it actually works like a normal bell. So what I'm gonna do, you're gonna loosen that screw up all the way. Don't lose this, by the way. Hopefully I don't drop it. It just slips on just like that. Now see how this is loose? Let me grab the rubber bushing that goes inside this so that way it doesn't move around. Okay, I went ahead and installed the little rubber bushing inside there. Let me tighten it up here. And there you go. This thing ain't going anywhere. It's on there good. Now you see how it just kind of like blends in with the bike? It looks just like a normal bell. You can't tell. The good thing about it is you don't have to take it off if you don't want to remove the AirTag, whether you want to change the battery or take the AirTag out in general. And once it's on there, you can't even tell. Look at that, everybody. So yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that's just got like any type of bike that they just don't want to lose sight of, or if they do, they can find it with the AirTag. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Bell AirTag. See you all in the next video.